Hello everybody, now I'm going to explain about abstract class. If any class contains complete methods or it is also known as concrete methods, then it is known as concrete class or abstract class. If any class contains concrete or complete methods, it is known as concrete class or abstract class. If any method is having both signature and body part, known as concrete methods. For every concrete class, we can be able to create multiple objects and those properties can be accessed with object reference. And if any class contains incomplete methods, that class is an abstract or incomplete class. Actually, if any class contains concrete or complete methods, then it is known as concrete class. And if any method is having or non-abstract class, if any method is having both signature and body part, then it is known as concrete method or non-abstract method. For every concrete class, we can be able to create multiple objects and those properties can be accessed with that object reference. If any class contains incomplete methods, then that class is known as abstract class or incomplete class. And if any method is having only signature part but no body part, then such method is known as abstract method. And we cannot create an object for the abstract class. An abstract class contains abstract as well as non-abstract methods. I'll show you this with the example. Here, abstract class. If a class is defined with an abstract keyword, then it is said to be abstract class. Abstract class bank 1. Begin inside that I am defining an abstract method, abstract int get rate of interest. Then class HDFC extends bank 1. This is a child class. Begin int get rate of interest, begin return 7. In class PNB extends bank 1, begin integer get rate of interest, begin return 8. Then class abstract. Inside this main method, first I'm creating a reference for this bank 1. Why? Because bank 1 is an abstract class. I'm not creating an object for the abstract class. I'm just creating one reference for this bank 1. Then using that reference, I'm creating the object for HDFC class. Then system.out.println, I'm accessing the method in the HDFC class using this abstract reference b dot get rate of interest. B equal to new PNB. System.out.println rate of interest is b dot get rate of interest. We'll see this output. Okay, rate of interest is 7% and rate of interest is 8%. The next one is the interface. Now, what is an interface? An interface is similar to a class, which is a collection of data members and abstract methods. And it can be represented with interface keyword. Interface is also similar to a class, and it is a collection of data members and abstract methods. And it is represented with the interface keyword. That is, interface can contain only abstract methods. Interface contains only abstract methods. It cannot contain non-abstract methods. And data member of interface must be initialized. An interface contains only abstract methods. Every method of interface can be declared with or without using abstract keyword. That is, it is not compulsory that method of interface should be declared with abstract keyword only. It can be with or without using abstract keyword. The method can be with or without using abstract keyword also. An interface which has no member is known as marker or tagged interface. And what are the examples for marker interfaces? Serializable, clonable, remote, etc. That is, an empty marker interface is an empty interface which has no body part. And the examples for marker interfaces are serializable, clonable, and remote, etc. So here I'm defining an interface drawable. Inside that I'm defining one method, abstract method. Here, even though if you don't define with abstract keyword, this becomes an abstract method only. Void draw. Next class rectangle implements drawable and public void draw. Now I am implementing this draw method inside this rectangle class. Public void draw begins system.out.println drawing rectangle. Class circle implements drawable public void draw system.out.println drawing circle. Then inside the main method, what is happening? I am creating an object for this interface drawable d. I'm creating just a reference for this interface drawable d equal to, and I'm creating an object for this circle class, new circle. Then using this reference, I am invoking the draw method. So what will be the output of this? Only drawing circle. Why? Because I am invoking only the draw method of the circle class. So that's why we get only drawing circle here. Next is the packages. And packages are the special containers, which are packages are nothing but they are the collection of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. And the sub package is also a container, which is also a collection of classes, interface, and sub packages. So packages always should be in lowercase, and these are created whenever multiple users want to access the same properties repeatedly multiple times. And so that redundancy of the code can be reduced and time taken process to develop and execute the code is less. So what are the advantages of these packages? Packages are created whenever multiple users want to access the same properties repeatedly multiple times so that redundancy of the code can be reduced and time taken process to develop and execute the code is less and wastage of memory will be reduced. So I'll show you the example for these packages. This is one package, public class package. This is the one package, com.core java is one package. Here public class package inside a public void message and method I'm taking and printing system.out.println help. And this is another type of package. I'm importing com.core java. You can take one more package and import the package in this present package also. Next is the access specifiers. Now, what are access specifiers? There are four types of access specifiers: private, protected, default, and public. Now, what is private? Private is a keyword in Java, and whenever it is preceded by any data member or method of the class, those can be accessed within the class only. That is, private access specifiers are accessed only within the class. And protected is a keyword in Java. Whenever it is preceded by any method of the class, those can be accessed not only within the class but derived class of same package and subclasses of other packages also. So protected access specifiers can be accessed not only within the class but derived class of same package and also subclasses of the other packages. And default is a keyword in Java. Whenever it is preceded by any method of class, those can be accessed anywhere in the program of same package. That is, default can be accessed anywhere anywhere in the class of the same package only. And public is a keyword in Java. Whenever it is preceded by method of the class, those can be accessed anywhere in the class of same package and other packages also. That is, public can be accessed anywhere in the same package and also other packages. So I'll show you the example for access specifiers. See, this is an example for access specifier for private class. Here class A2 is taken here. Inside that I am defining one private data member as private in data equal to 40, private void message. Inside that I am displaying system.out.println hello Java. Then I am taking, this is the package name is com.core Java. In the same package I am taking two classes. One is class A2 and the other is class private example. Inside that I am defining the main method. I am creating an object for the A2 class and I am printing system.out.println object.data. So when I say object.data, the control goes here and 40 should be printed. But since this data member is private, it will give a compile time error. And similarly, the method cannot be invoked. Why? Because it gives a compile time error, and this message is given with a private key. Next is the default here. I have taken one more package, my pack here. I have created one more package, my pack. Inside my pack, I'm importing com.core Java package, and I have taken class default. I have already defined A3 class in this package. Inside the package com.core Java, I have taken one class A3 and taken one inside the class A3. I'm defining one method message which is printing system.out.println hello. And inside another package, I'm importing the package com.core Java. I'm defining one class default ex and inside the main method creating object for A3 and I am invoking the message method in this A3 class. But it will give a compile time error. Why? Because default access specifiers are accessible only within the same package only. That is why it gives a compile time error. Next is the protected. First, I have taken one package com.core Java. Inside that, I am defining one public class A4. Inside that, I am defining one protected void message system.out.println hello. I'm taking one more package, my pack, and importing the original package here com.core Java. Then class protected ex extends A4. Inside the main method, I'm creating the object for this protected ex and I'm invoking the message method. So since the protected access modifier can be accessed within the class and also derived class of the same package and other package also. So since this is a derived class of other package, there is no compile time error here. And similarly for public also, since public can be accessed anywhere, so there is no compile time error for public access specifier. So I'll conclude here and I'll continue in the next video.